How to use CapCut Templates. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut. Simply, you'll find template option on bottom. In here, you can also search on top or simply choose any template. If you don't find it here, go to Google Chrome and search CapCut Template and click on the first website. In here, you'll find two types of templates, which is video and images. You can click any template you want to use. Simply just click on the template you want to use and you'll find use this template option. Click on use this template and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, you need to select all the videos or photos from your gallery and you'll be able to use template. This is how to use CapCut Templates. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.